Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Group 3 to NAP2 2020, and we want to present our presentation about Arkham Hospital configuration project. Let's go.
AM to the PM, PM to the AM. Eat up your per diem, you just gotta hate them for. If I quit your PM, I still rock Mercedes home. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest.
Our project is about a server configuration for a hospital. Hospitals need an IT department to manage the administrational needs of a hospital, such as patients' health information, billing, registration, etc. Next. Move on to configuration steps. We start by installing Windows Server on our VirtualBox, then proceed to install the Active Directory, then manage the domain for our server. Then we set our domain name system, and finally configure our DHCP.
Windows Server. Why prefer Windows Server? Because of Azure-based networking, organization can react more quickly to change imposed by the market by moving the network control layer from hardware to software to create a software-based network. Affordable, high-performance storage. Azure-inspired storage feature in Windows Server. Windows Server use rules and automation to reduce costs. Active Directory is a directory service that is owned by MS Windows. Active Directory consists of a database and directory service. Database owned by Active Directory stores all the resources contained in the network, such as computers that have been incorporated in the domain. Domain is a unique name given to identify the name of a computer server, such as a web server or email server on a computer or internet network. We use Arkham server, Arkham.care, technical clinic project. Next, DNS. Domain name. DNS is domain name system. Is a system that stores information about host name or domain names in the form of distributed database in distributed network. Our DNS is 192.168.1.5. DHCP is a protocol based on client or server architecture that is used to facilitate the allocation of IP address to all computers automatically or known as dynamic IPs from the DHCP server. Besides DHCP can also provide a default gateway and DNS server. Next is demonstration from Michael and Adjie Yahya.
Okay, we want to add a user in server Windows Server. First of all, go to dashboard and go to tools and go to Active Directory user and computers. In here we want to choose user and create new user. We want to name it Nayon. Logo name Nayon. Then click next. Then the password test123 test123, and then choose password never expire, and then click next, and then finish. And now we want to add to a group to clinic in Arkham.care. So we search clinic. Find now. We click OK. Okay, and Nayon is added to group. And then we click OK and go to Arkham Hospital, and in clinic we can see Nayon is a member of a clinic in Arkham Hospital Active Directory. Then click OK, and then we want to move to Windows XP. In Windows XP, we want to right click on my computer, properties, and computer name, and we'll change to the network ID, and then we click next. This computer is a part of a business network. Next. My company use a domain. Next. And then we want the username Nayon. with the password test123 and the domain arcam.care. Next, the computer name Adjie and the computer domain is arcam.care. Then we click next, and the password is Nayon test123 test123. Okay, domain arcam.care. Okay, loading. Wait a second. Okay, and add the following user, Nayon from arcam.care. Then we click next, standard user, and finish. Okay, and now we want to restart the Windows XP. Wait a minute. Tap. Shutting down. Restart. Okay, and now we want to alt delete, and we want to use username Nayon and password is test123, and then we click OK. Okay, and now Nayon is part of arcam.care. Okay, we want to ping it to try. cmd ping arcam.care. Okay, and then we connect it, and that's for the user. And now we want to setting the DNS, domain name server, domain name system, and we want to right click DNS manager, and for the forward I use 192.168.1 and 0.5. Okay, and the reverse lookup is 1.168 and 0.192. Okay, and now we want to check it in the Windows XP command prompt. We want to ns lookup arcam.care. Okay, and we will get the address and the domain name system, the arcam.care, from Nayon, the user what we created before. Okay, now we want to create a DHCP in Windows Server. First of all, right click DHCP manager, and then we're going to win and go IPv4, and right click on this and new scope, and then we click next. Scope starting IP address is 192.168.1.20, end of the IP address 192.168.1 and 250, and then we click next. We don't want to add exclusion, so click next. 8 days, next. Yes, I want to configure this option now. Next. Yes, I want to active this scope right now. Finish. Okay, after that we want to go into Windows XP, and then we want to change the user because Nayon don't have the access to it. Then we want to create tutorial all del. Okay, and then we want to go to arcam, username Adjie, Yahya. Okay, sorry, another one. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we want to setting the DHCP. First of all, control panel. Click OK, network and internet connection. Network connection. LAN. And then properties, DHCP IP, properties. And I want to go obtain an IP address automatically and use the DNS 192.168.1 and 5. And then click OK, OK, and close. Okay, we want to check the command prompt ipconfig. Now we've got the IP 192, 1.168, 1.25 with the DNS is arkham.care. And just that the demonstration from me. Thank you for watching, and then see you. Bye.